This episode, Trey makes tea and coffee in the brisk winter morning. Well, spring, but it felt like winter. We're pretty much just getting ready for the day. We have a long journey ahead of us. If you guys been with us this season, you know that we just got in the car after we just bought it, got screwed over, and we crashed our original car. But this is our first time taking this new vehicle out on the road, so it's kind of fun for us, and we do it unprepared. You watch us, put in window blinds and shades, rain guards, all scattered out throughout some days, and we crash at a Walmart. We find some friends along the way. All of this was fun, and we were so happy to bring you all of these clips. Alright, I'm gonna get this generator turned on here. Put some water in this kettle. I like to make hot tea in the mornings because it warms me up. I've been trying to see how much juice it uses from the generator when I make a kettle of hot water for tea and coffee in the mornings. Alright, it looks like the water is finally boiling. The generator is down to 7%. I think it used like 20 something percent of the juice. Just standing here drinking my tea gives me time to prepare myself for the day. Just get ready to face any challenges that the day might hold for me. Just enjoying myself. We started in Indiana. We went towards Richmond. From Richmond, Indiana into Dayton. I-75 brought that all the way up to Toledo. So we came up here into Michigan. We brought I-75 right up here. We came into Flint, Michigan. We came somewhere around here. Somewhere in this area right there. So I did a voiceover for this part so I could show you guys right where we are on the map. So Flint, Michigan is right here. We came up here to West Branch. And West Branch, you can see there is a lot of green, but I do believe we were more towards Hale where we were staying. I don't have the exact coordinates. Whenever traveling America, Trey and I like to focus on the necessities. We make sure that we have tons of water for our trip. We make sure that we're fully fed and hydrated before we even leave. This road trip to Michigan is another clear example of that. We try to get all of our filming done. We get some of the video editing done before we get to our next destination. That way we can go ahead and upload the footage when we arrive to our new spot. We love areas like Michigan, Kentucky, Colorado, Utah. These are all of our favorite places, and we want to travel so many more. We're so happy to take you guys on the journey with us. Trey says hi.
Meow. Hola. Today we are in Michigan. I believe we are close to Saginaw yet again. We are looking for this girl.
This girl wrote me love letters when I was in elementary school, and I'm trying to figure out who it is.
She stole my bike and I want my money back.
Yeah,
and
she stole my Pokeballs.
So we're looking for that.
Yeah.
To air fry some food. We're really hungry. We've been traveling for a while. We're trying to get a little south for this next couple of episodes. Trey left some of our food at the grocery store. We've gone to like 8 stores today. We're trying to get our shopping done before we go home. And we still got 4 hours to go. He's always not going where he needs to go, and then when we start needing to turn, he makes us look crazy. And here I am recording out the window. We have like an arm out the window. We're not paying attention. We're just a hot mess. So yeah, this episode's a little shorter than we would like, but we had a good time in Michigan and Kentucky this season. We hope you guys enjoy all the videos that come out later this month. We have new music coming out that's beautiful, and we're so excited to bring that out. It's just great to be alive and to experience this life with you.